Vector Bioscience Cambridge tackles two critical challenges in cancer therapy. Firstly, RNA therapies are probably the most efficient anti-cancer drugs, but they lack protection, transport and delivery to tumor sites. Our technology is designed to meet these needs. The second challenge is the terrible side effects of chemotherapy. Our targeted delivery system minimizes the peak effect of drugs and facilitates a controlled, slow release in the tumor where the treatment is needed, maximizing efficacy while minimizing side effects. Vector has grown exponentially since foundation in 2021. I highlight three aspects. The funding. We have secured £3 million non-dilutive funding, from which the majority is coming from the EIC Transition Programme from Horizon Europe. This is just focused on expediting the commercialization of our technology. The second aspect is our team. We are growing, and I am proud to say that Vector has now 7 professionals working together. The biggest milestone so far is the in vivo data, showing biocompatibility, lack of immune response, and efficacy against triple-negative breast cancer and pancreatic cancer, our first and our toughest indications. Innovate UK has been key in providing Vector with a head start. We took part in the investability pathway that helped us on building confidence on our first steps in the fundraising journey. And also, we were signposted to funding. This early support was key in our first months of life and facilitated the first steps into growing our team and starting our pipeline. It was one conversation with Daniel that had a tremendous impact on Vector when he suggested applying for the Innovate UK Fast Start grant. Thanks to these, we were able to start our experiments to develop our technology and start the growth of our team in the very first months. Vector is in a very exciting growth stage. We're expanding our preclinical dataset, we're building our team, and enhancing our advisory board. Vector is exploring new markets too, strengthening collaboration efforts with pharmaceutical partners, and exploring strategic US expansion.
It's been great working with the Vector Bioscience team over the last 18 months or so. The technology that they're developing has enormous potential, very exciting, and the company's been making great progress with the development of that technology and the growth of the company. So my initial support with Vector Bioscience has helped them form their early strategic funding and finance strategy, and their approach has led them to be very successful with some Innovate UK grants, but not just Innovate UK, also Horizon Europe EIC grant funding. I've introduced them to our investability pathway and supported them through that initiative, and that's put them in a very strong position now to tackle their next stage of development. More recently, the company and I have focused on the commercialization and internationalization. The company participated in a global business innovation program around biomanufacturing to Canada. They're entering a very exciting growth stage for the company at the moment, with the opportunity to raise investment, to grow the company and bring the technology through to full commercialization with the ongoing support of Innovate UK business growth.
I would absolutely recommend Innovate UK business support. It is a valuable asset for innovators at different stages of their journey.